Hello everybody, today we make a chicken cacciatore. Okay, the ingredient you need for the chicken cacciatore, I got Thai chicken. I clean up already my green, red, and yellow pepper, and I chop. And look how beautiful color you got. And I got over here black olives. I got red wine. I got my oregano I make every year. I got basil, thyme. I got garlic I chop already. I got my oil baby hot pepper, onion. I got flour over here. And I spice a little bit too with the black pepper, salt. And I got plum tomato. Okay, now we start with the chicken. You need oil. We raise the flame a little bit. I got some garlic over here. I want to do the chicken. I want to give a good taste when I do the chicken. Okay, now I got the flour and I got the chicken. And we flour a little bit, not too much. And I start with the skin. Done. Now this I gotta do a couple of times. The chicken can fits everything at one time. Now I'll leave cook this to give a nice color both sides. After I take out, I put on the other parts, and I do the rest the same thing. In Italy, we was make so many times this, because the people, he make not only with the chicken cacciatore, he make with the rabbit. Okay, now it's like 3 to 4 minutes, and I want to turn, and look how beautiful look this. Okay, now this other chicken is ready. We take the other one that gets done already. We put everything on this parts over here. I want pour my red wine, like this, all the chicken, you got wine. Oh, nice. Hey, no got nothing. Now, this you got everything. We leave it cook with the wine a couple of more minutes. The wine, it give the chicken really, really good taste. Now, all the wine, it got evaporated, everything. Oh, the smell, oh, I can't wait to eat this chicken cacciatore. Okay, now we gotta make the sauce. We need oil. Now the olive oil, it's hot. We put onion, garlic. And now we saute first this. Oh, now the chicken over there smells good. Now with the garlic and onion over here, it's really good. This is the garlic and the onion, not to make it really, really cook good. The guy gotta saute the rest of the stuff over here. Okay, now I put my fresh thyme. This is from my garden. Now it's a time we can put the black olives too. Oh, boy, that smells so good. Now it's a time for the pepper. Now we give a nice turn on this. And I got over here my oil baby. It's the hot pepper oil baby. I got my oregano. And this, the oregano, every year I make oregano. And I can make with my oregano beautiful, delicious recipe like I make this. Okay, now this is the tomato with the can. And I want to break the tomato a little bit. I wash my hand, everything is clean, and we squeeze a little bit the tomato, the break. I break it like this. It cooks fast. All right, one more. Now we put everything inside my pepper in the pots over here. Okay? And now this, you gotta cook with the pepper now. Not too long, but 10 minutes. After we gotta put this inside with the chicken. Now I want to put a little salt and black pepper. Okay, now I want to put some fresh basil. Okay, now we put the chicken right over here. We fix a little bit of the chicken to go nice. And now you gotta go my sauce. Okay, now we put all the tomato, the pepper, everything in on the top over here. Now I got the oven, it's a 400 degree. And let's put this right inside. Oh, it's the oven, it's so hot. Okay, now this you gotta cook for 1 hour. Okay, now it's 1 hour and 10 minutes and we take out. Oh, look at this, beautiful. Oh, it's really hot. Look how beautiful it looks. Hey. Okay, now it's the time of the taste. Now somebody maybe say the pots it's more big. The other one, it was a little small, and I want to use bigger pots. Okay, let me taste. Okay, I got a little house. Let me put the little red and yellow pepper. Good. And now, let me taste this. Oh, look how nice. It's really, really cooked good. Look at that. Whew. It's steam. It melts in your mouth. And now let me taste my pepper and my black house over here. Nice, this one. You taste the pepper and the house and the chicken together, it's really good. You can taste all the flavor in this chicken cacciatore. Thank you very much again. Salud e chin chin. Thank you.